The number 15 dermaplaning blade. The number 15 dermaplaning blade, known as the contouring blade, is perfect for targeting small or hard-to-reach areas, as well as delicate facial regions. Its compact size makes it particularly suitable for specialized treatments or addressing challenging areas. Resembling the number 10 blade in shape, with its curves and pointed tip, it measures 1.5 inches long and is designed to fit the number 3 blade handle. The number 15 blade provides confidence when navigating tight areas where other blade types may struggle to maneuver. Using low-quality dermaplaning blades leads to subpar treatment outcomes. Opting for top-quality blades from a reputable supplier, like Advanced Esthetic Training, maximizes treatment efficiency and ensures high-quality outcomes, prioritizing client safety and satisfaction.